I got you. There you go. Give enough room. Ready? Let's go. Look. See the video?
There, Maria, get the ball, Maria, get the ball, Maria. Go, Maria, go, Maria.
Going a little left there, Blue.
All right, so girls, your first time to play on the University of Texas field. Tell me what you think.
It was awesome. We popped the other team. Smoking, hot, popping.
Smoking, hot, popping. That's how hot it was out there. What'd you think?
I loved it. I was
You were
wearing a
terrific.
winter coat shirt.
Yeah, you were on the other team, but you did great. Good job, girls. Proud of you.